after watching that video, I kind of approached this New Roots Clinic, Hyderabad. First is that the clinic people were really friendly, and they supported me in every time, and starting from explaining how the procedure is and what are the kind of thing I had to carry forward. All these things are given transparently. So that actually gave me a pretty much, kind of confidence that I can go forward with that. So I had my procedure yesterday. So overall, I would suggest before taking a decision, please talk to the clinic people. They'll guide you properly, then take a decision. But when you took a decision for this clinic, you're absolutely in the right hands. They give a lot of care. They give a lot of guidance. That's it.